You're watching Real Estate, and well, it's now time to do a status check on ongoing projects. So today we turn our focus to Crossings Republic. It's one of the biggest townships coming up on the NH24. Now, apartments here are actually due for possession next year, but buyers want to know what stage of construction is actually going on. Well, here are some facts we found out.
Most of last year saw a slew of affordable houses come up all over the country. And one area that has emerged as a hub of budget homes near Delhi is the NH24 stretch in Ghaziabad. Among the largest projects on this realty corridor is Crossings Republic, that aims to provide budget homes to 25,000 families. Crossings Republic was launched in 2006 as India's first global city. This 350-acre project is being developed by a consortium of as many as 7 builders. Now, that's a multiplication of many resources. But for this mammoth project to meet its timely delivery, would need the superb management and coordination of all these resources. Indeed, the question on the mind of many buyers is that how are 7 different stakeholders going to pull off a project of this scale? We checked with one of the builders of this project, Asotec, to get you the answer.
7 developers, they came together, they formed a company named Crossings Infrastructure Private Limited, and this company, it had its own setup, like a board of directors, and every resolution was passed through that board of directors, and that CIPL worked as a development authority for the whole 360 acres of the township, which is being developed by CIPL. And under that area, different developers were earmarked different properties.
Construction at Crossings site may have picked up pace now, but last year saw the project bearing the brunt of the slowdown. As buyer interest dipped, builders decided to reduce prices to an affordable range of Rs 20 to 25 lakhs. Market sentiment and buyer interest in the project may have improved now, but doubts around lack of facilities still remain. Complete infrastructure within its confines. That's the promise Crossings Republic has made to its investors. But while the construction of apartments here seems on schedule to meet its 2010 deadline, the overall infrastructure here is far from any kind of completion. The only visible sign of facilities at the Crossings site was a half-completed shopping plaza and golf course. Work on the other amenities like the school, malls and club has yet to start. The first phase of the project is due for possession in another 8 months, and one can only hope that the developers of Crossings Republic honor their end of the bargain.